Okay, question 4. We're asked to solve two equations. They're probably a little bit more complex than equations that we would have seen in 7th or 8th grade, but we've been looking at things like these for a while. This first equation is an excellent candidate for the technique that we've called looking inside. I have the square root of something, right? I have the square root of something equals 7. Well, the only way the square root of something is 7 is if the something is the number 49, right? It is the square root of 49, root 49, that equals 7. And if you don't know that, that's okay. You can certainly square 7, right? And when you square 7, you will see 7 squared is 49. And if I take the square root of 49, then I'll get the 7, right? But I think most of us have at least up to the 10s or 11s or 12s some perfect squares memorized. So I know that this thing inside, the x plus 9, inside of the radical must be the number 49. Therefore, x must be the number 40. So my answer here is x is 40. And just visually, I'm like, yeah, of course. Because if x is 40, that's 40 plus 9. And the square root of 49 is 7. The second problem here is an excellent candidate for the technique that we call fraction busters. If I look across at my denominators, I can see I have a denominator of 2 and a denominator of 3. So I could choose, and I could choose to multiply, let me get you green again. I could choose to multiply both sides of this equation by the number 6. 6 over 1 specifically, right? If I multiply every single term by the number 6, it'll eliminate all the fractions I see. So this is a term that I'm going to multiply by 6. This will be multiplied by 6. This negative 3 will be multiplied by 6. The 1/3 x will be multiplied by 6, and the 4 will be multiplied by 6. So there are 3 terms on the left-hand side. All of them are going to get a factor of 6, and 2 terms on the right. And it looks a little bit like this. The number 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 3 times x is 3x. So that 1/2 x becomes 3x. The number 6 times x is going to become 6x. The number 6 times negative 3 will be minus 18 equals 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore, this will become 2x, and 6 times 4 is 24. So this new version of the equation is so nice because it has absolutely no fractions. I can combine some like terms, right? These are like terms. If I combine them, it's 9x minus 18 equals 2x plus 24. If I take away 2x from each side, 7, 8, 9, this becomes 7x minus 18 equals the number 24. And if I take the number 24 and on each side of this equation I add 18, both to the left and the right, over here on this side when I add 18 it just leaves me with the 7x. And over here on this side when I add the 18 I'm going to get the number 42. And yes, 42 divided by 7, right, divide both sides by 7, gives me that x is the number 6. So x is 6 for this second problem. So we've got x is 40 and x is 6. And there's nice places to write both of the answers there.